All right, everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. And we got some interesting stuff going on today. I'm here with Cliff. You know what I'm saying? We're working on some fun stuff. And if you can see what Cliff just pulled out of the box here for me is a new strut or coilover for the S2000, all right? So my passenger side rear strut has been failing on me. It is basically blown at this point right now. I hear it going crazy, so we are going to replace it on this side. All right, got a little bit more fun stuff going on, but yeah, that's part of the job today. All right, so looking at it, yeah, that thing don't look too good. Just look at all that. The boot, oh shit. Is it bottom all the way out down there? I wonder how bad the spring is. I do want to reuse that spring.
Yeah, you should be able to reuse it. I'll take that up. Oh, you know what we gotta do as well?
Oh yeah, in the trunk.
Yeah.
Unbolted from the top, yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta
pull out the
carpet, pull back the carpet.
I should be able to reach it though. Just want to make sure everything else looks decent. Yeah, I don't see. Man, fingers crossed. I was hoping that I wouldn't have any upper control arm issues or ball joint issues because of it.
Right. I don't think you need a spring compressor, bro.
Yeah, I need a spring compressor.
You sure?
To put the other one on, I did.
You did?
Well, then again, those were stock springs. I was taking these
right.
ones right
these the ones for the coilovers. You put them on and then you just
roads twisted. But is there a lock on the new one? I don't see one of these on the new one. Do you?
Nah, you might have to transfer. All that stuff might need to be transferred.
Well,
that might be the longest part of the
yeah, swapping it over.
The swap. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All the transfers.
All right, everybody. So Kaylin joined us as well. You see how he does this on every video? Y'all told me I need to make videos, but then you want to act a fool. All right. So the old strut is shot. I shouldn't. Let's see if I can do it on camera with my chest. There is no way that I should be able to compress this with my stomach on there, right? Like this should be killing me. But it's compressed, and look how slow it's rebounding up. So that's no good. So we have the new one going on there. We just took the ground control adjustable ring off. We're about to put on the new stuff, set it on there. Kaylin's going to be over there bringing us knowledge because I don't know what I'm doing. Cliff knows what he's doing. It's just gonna be a fun time.
Right. I came here for moral support today.
Yeah, that's what he is. Moral support, always moral support. These my guys, man. Moral support guys. Always get you a tribe, man. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so I got two amazing home mechanics helping me out right here. So we're trying to grease the. Is that technically the bump stop or no? No, that's not the bump stop. That's the clip for the bottom end, for lack of better words. We're trying to grease it up to slide onto the shaft of the Coney. As you can see, these fine gentlemen are doing amazing jobs right there. So we realized that the actual sleeve for ground control actually comes off, so we were able to slide that off. And we're now setting up to go on there. All right. Fun stuff. That's what you be doing when you be going in there? Yeah, got him on camera. Yeah, got him. So, Kaylin, Cliff, and I, we had to do some little gimmicky stuff. It wasn't really gimmicky stuff. We had to do finesse.
Give it a old heave-ho.
Yeah, so when you're doing these, I think I said in my last video, the last time I put this on was what? Like 2020? When I put them on before you and I met.
Yeah.
So, instead of standing on the caliper on the brake, you got to stand right here on the actual ball joint. The top of the upper ball joint to push down, and that gives you more of leverage. All right, so she is in there looking a lot better, bolted all the way in the top. So now, thank God and thanks to my boys, get him in the camera, my boy. Yeah, we're gonna actually be able to finally not have this terrible sound every time. Now I'm probably gonna have to. I honestly think since I replaced this side, probably gonna replace that left side in about a year as well. In the next year, just if I feel it in my bones. But appreciate you guys so much.
You need to replace the fucking car.
You said replace the car just came back, bro. she's you know what I'm saying?
Got a paint job.
Yeah, a paint job, a front end job, but I guess that by the time this comes out, they'll see the video on the front end. So the car, Sunshine's been through a lot, right?
Is the top buttoned up?
I bolted all the top all the way in.
Good.
Yeah. All right.
Let me throw this wheel back on.
Cool. So we're gonna put the wheel on. Thank you guys for watching. Tell Kalen congrats in the comments about his new car as well. We didn't even show the new car. We'll show it at the end. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you should show it.
Yeah. We'll do your own video. I was tempted to do a video yesterday, but they was on BS, so I was like, You know what I'm saying?
I love the way this motherfucker is so light. The shit. I don't even really like RPF ones like that, but it makes me want to say this shit is so light.
The easiest thing to just slap on, bro. Slap on. But yeah, so button up the wheel as you can see. Cliff is doing a great job with that. I gotta change that wheel stuff, but that's for another day. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys later, and peace.